Guys, welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video guys, and today I'm going to showcase this seed guys. So this seed is camping, and let's go ahead and create new world, and let's go ahead and wait for this world to load completely. Alright guys, so you spawn here, and let's put a marking so that you will know where the spawn point is. And let's go ahead and go to the village, and you'll find the first blacksmith. Oh, my game is lagging a little bit. Wait guys, there is something wrong with this game. Let's go inside into this blacksmith, and let's open the chest, and you will find 7 oak saplings, iron leggings, an iron sword, and an apple. And let's go ahead and go to the other side of the village, but there is another blacksmith, but it's located here, but it's covered under the house guys, and you need to break this one guys. You'll find 2 diamonds guys. As you can see, you will find 2 diamonds, an iron pickaxe, an iron horse armor, and an iron ingot. But I recommend you guys to keep those 2 diamonds guys, because you need it for your gear guys. And look at this guys, this is sick. I never seen a village like this before guys. That is really messed up, but yeah, so that's it for this video guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this seed review guys. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for 30 subscribers guys. Thank you so much for 30 subscribers guys, because you always keep on supporting me guys. Just continue supporting me guys, and I hope I'll reach 100 subs this year guys. And the target for this year guys is to reach 100 subs guys. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your Franco Plays here, and peace out.